Alright, what's good everybody? We're currently in Delray Beach, Florida. We about to slide through Atlantic Ave, see what we find, see what the vibes is looking like. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's December 31st, 2024. Tomorrow is 2025. And this is just a great way to start the year. Here we got a food shack. That bit look abandoned. They had hella bums over there just now. This was crazy at that park. They got a Checkers, another abandoned building, but they got a tennis thing, stadium. I think what's the name was training here? Corday's girlfriend. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Say excuse me, they don't give a I guess it's a city hall. I also did not know this existed. Damn, they closed this down too? I ate here one time. This used to be a spot, but this was a good ass spot. If you from Delray, comment if you ever ate here. I think we're gonna see a Cybertruck. We got the Porsche, no cars coming. Let's get it. And I think this is like where the Ave actually starts at. This is a museum. Oh, he got a flag in his hand. I just peep. I love America. All right, another little thingy right here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's like a courtyard. And they got all this stuff. I wonder if this is still part of the museum. I think this is a school. And here, stage, downtown Delray. And we got the Christmas tree. 2,988 stainless steel bolts, 3,114 branches, 12,000 watts, 15,000 of foliage, 18,000 ornaments, 24,000 pounds of frame, and 200,000 LED lights. I guess this is where you probably met Santa at. Oh, they got more guys on bikes. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I ain't gonna lie, this is the first video. Y'all boys don't make content? Nah. Y'all might as well, bro. That's where the bread at. Y'all young, you feel me? Hey, are y'all good? Y'all might as well.
Hey, I'm good. I'm a beginner.
He's a beginner?
I just need a better bike.
But I can't do shit. Like, all I do is just slide. But if y'all able to, like, and since y'all young, y'all might as well start. Just get a GoPro and just get to it. You feel me?
Collab, we all collab.
No, I seen people doing that shit too. Bro, do that shit. That's a good way to make bread. You feel me? Hey, y'all boys be safe though. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna be around here. All right, yes sir. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, we back on the Ave now. Happy New Year's. Man, she was nice. At least she said it back. That boy got the Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce. Oh my God. Y'all hear these birds? Oh my God. All right, let's keep going, let's keep going. Sugar factory, excuse me. Oh, never mind, gotta wait. That's the spot right there, two Big Al steaks. And we got a Porsche, Bernie's, never been there. Pet supplies, they got a whole pet store right there on the Ave. Porsche, what's up, bro? Keep grinding. Let's go down this way right quick. Oh, I've never even seen this before. Let's go through here. This is a view. This is a nice view. What is this? What's down there? Oh, it's a parking garage. Yeah, but this is a nice ass spot to take a picture. Like, do a photo shoot. I gotta remember this little spot. And right there is a good ass shot. That's a clean whip. All right, now we're about to go over the bridge. This bridge is really small compared to like the other bridges. You in the bike lane, bruh. You in the bike lane, bruh. Alfa Romero? No, BMW. I'm fried. I don't know nothing about cars. So yeah, now this side is less stores. UPS truck. Pretty sure that's like a hotel right there. Ooh, alley. I've never been through here. Oh, shit. Let's check out the mural real quick by Susan Bridgeforth. I guess these are apartments up here. The fire alarm is broken. I don't know what that is, because that ain't Delray Beach. That's crazy that this is the front door to a bar. I need a drink, bruh. Ben & Jerry's ice cream. I've never even seen a Ben & Jerry's location before. I thought they just sold ice cream. I mean, they got Gatorade inside. Should I get that? Bro, this hoodie, bro. I'm about to hide this somewhere, bro, for like 20 minutes, bro, just so I can ride, bro. But yeah, now we are on, I don't even know the name of the street, but we're at the beach now though. There used to be a Shake Shack right there, but you know them boys be taxing, so they had to put something else there. Like, I really don't see nobody coming here. So I'm gonna just leave my hoodie right there. Just killed this drink. Drank my drink, threw away my hoodie. I feel good now. We at the beach. Look at this ram. More construction. These are all just like hotels. They're not hotels, I don't even know how to explain them. They're like villas. The boy got the Hummer HEV with no roof on it. He snapped. But yeah, this is like, once you turn, it's just basically houses. Oh, look at that car right there. Let's go check it out. Another Porsche. We're gonna see hella Porsches out here. Let's check this car out. Could Buddy have parked any further? But I mean, I guess that's cool though. What is this? Someone in the comments let me know what kind of car this is. Parking lot and shit full. Yeah, we should go down this, matter of fact. Hopefully I hit 20 before I even get to the hill. too fast. Oh, it's also because the people. I feel like maybe I got spooked because the people. Oh, the f did he say to me? This is why you don't get a bike, bro. Cause you do like this. And they're doing this. Oh, let's see if my jacket's still here. I think it's still here, guys. I didn't get robbed. So yeah, I just put my jacket on. Had to switch the battery for the GoPro. But now that I'm here rested, before we take off, let me let y'all know what kind of bike I'm using today. This is a GoTrax Z4 Lite. I bought it at Best Buy for around, it was $530 plus tax. I don't think they have it at Best Buy anymore, but they still have it on the GoTrax website. So just go on there, purchase it. It's only 40 pounds. It folds right here. You can put it in your trunk. It has a LED screen. I don't want to say it wrong, but it has 5 passing gear thingies. And it also has a light right here in the front and in the back. Yeah, and I still have 3 bars, but honestly it's also because I was pedaling. If you pedal and throttle in between, you could ride for really long. But I just wanted to show y'all that GoTrax me, bro. Or if any company sees this video that has a bike they want me to test out and ride, let me know. But yeah, like I've been saying, we are in Delray Beach, Florida. This is approximately like an hour away from Miami. If you like an introvert, or if you want to be, or if you're on a budget, just come here instead. You'll probably save a lot more money coming here than coming to Miami. It's a little sandbar. You got sand on the ground, tiki huts, really good drinks, you get lit. And then obviously the beaches across the street. Bike racks everywhere so you can park your bike. A little fountain right there, maybe take a picture. Restrooms. So there's a bunch of stores, shops, stuff like that, souvenir places. Get some pizza. I wonder which pizza place is better. This one or that one? I'm gonna go on Google because now I really want pizza. Tazio got 4 stars, 325 reviews. And then Pizza Rustica got 4 stars, 291 reviews. So I might have to fuck with Tazio's. What's up, man? Can I order out here? I gotta go inside. All right, bet. Oh, they got a huge line. Never mind. First red flag, they got a window open. They got an open window on the corner. That look like you could take your order. Like, if they were smart, that's what they would do. They would take orders outside. Like, you don't even gotta come inside, bro. Just stand outside. Oh, they got hella slices. Let's see what they got. Let's see what I'm about to grab.
Yeah.
That caught me off guard, but he's yelling and shit. Hey boss, what's the best slice in your opinion? I might get this Cajun shrimp. I ain't never seen that on pizza. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Cajun shrimp. And I'm gonna get a water. Yeah, I got like water bottles. That'll be it. Alright, I'm gonna just be waiting outside. Thank you.
You want your water?
No, I'll wait for when the food's ready. Yeah, she eating pizza inside the smoothie spot. So yeah, so I bought a slice of Cajun shrimp pizza and a bottle of water. I spent $9.
You're just ready, and I have no idea where to go.
You didn't see me walk outside?
I didn't.
You good? Could have sworn I said I'm walking outside, but alright, I'm gonna just be waiting outside. Thank you.
You want your water?
No, I'll wait for when the food's ready. Crazy, bro. Low effort. Dude talking about, I didn't see you, I didn't know where you was at, bro. Where else would I be, bro? Y'all got seats outside. I'm clearly outside. Man, he lucky I even came here because I was gonna go over there. Twin. And the boy got an AOL certificate for best healthy dining in 2005. It's literally gonna be 2025 tomorrow. I'm gonna just kill this water right quick so I don't gotta hold it. We about to cross the street and I run red lights. It don't even matter. I'm not in the car. I'm not in a car. I could. Oh, bro, he just what? Y'all see? You seen that? I gotta go get that. Right? Excuse me, baby, bro. Excuse me, baby, bro. Damn, that's your. That's your. That's hard, bro. That's hard. How long you had them?
About a year.
That's hard, bro. Keep going. You know what I peep? All these rich ass neighborhoods always got these. Like they always put all the cribs that are for sale. Like bro, who gonna just look at this and be like, I'm gonna buy this? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Yeah, G-Wagon. This is a G-Wagon, right? Clean. Yeah, that's crazy. He can't get through. Yeah, the bridge is going up. Now it's going down. I think I can make it under that. I'm gonna bust my ass. I was close. And like I mentioned earlier, today's December 31st, 2024. Hopefully I release this video tomorrow. I don't know when this video is gonna come out. Oh, they got the bubbles. They got the bubble machine outside. Oh shit. This is not taking it to the beach. Alright, good thing I turned around, man. I was about to drive into a restaurant. On the bright side, we found another Porsche. Them boys love Porsches out here, bro. Excuse me. Happy New Year. They got a little art gallery right here. See, if I was a BMX ass nigga, I would have jumped off that, but I'm not no BMX ass nigga. I'm a regular Capital One Cafe. Y'all ever seen a Capital One Cafe? What's this? This is like a brewery. So this used to be a food court. It used to be 2 floors. Thank you so much. Happy New Year's. It's good, bro. Damn, this is hard as a. Look at this. Perfectly parked, bro. Oh, they got the what's his name? I forgot his name. That's Dominic Fike playing in the background. I don't even know what this is. It's just like a little corner. I guess it's where people chill at. Oh, damn, they about to put a kapow here. Kapow. If you never had this, you need to try it. They got one in Palm Beach. I think they got one in Boca too. I wonder if they got kapow in other cities or other like states and stuff. If they do, let me know. Comment. Porsche. I was taking a nap. Here we are at Rocco's Tacos D1000. I don't know what that means, bro. I'm just doing a 360 view of it. If somebody could let me know what's the inspiration behind this design, I'm gonna try to squeeze right here. What's up, bro? Happy New Year's. Yes, sir. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know where I should go next. I'm based in South Florida. GoTrax. Y'all see this video, man? Help me out, bruh. I'm gonna park right here. Because I parked in there, but I'm not showing y'all my car. So yeah, GoTrax. And if anybody give me tips on how to clean my bike too, I think I'm gonna have to clean it soon. But GoTrax Z4 Lite. I just rode around. I got out here like at 11 in the morning. It's 1:42 p.m. I probably rode around for 2.5 hours. Let me know in the comments where I should go to next. And appreciate y'all for watching. Oh yeah. Happy New Year's, man. Happy New Year's. Happy 2025. I hope all y'all had a great 2024. I know my 2024 wasn't the best, but after reflecting and just looking back at it, it actually was a good year. I can't complain. So I appreciate y'all. Let's have a great year. Gotta be consistent this year. Hopefully this is the beginning of something new. And I'm gonna talk to y'all later.